Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Hope you all are doing good. So if you are using Windows 11 and it is locking itself automatically, in this video let's fix this. So first click on this Windows icon. After that click on this settings option. Now on the left side click on this system option. After that on the right side scroll down and click on this option power and battery. Now here click on this option screen, sleep and hibernate timeouts. Expand this option and you will see these two columns, plug-in and on battery. So I'm using a laptop. So there are three options: turn my screen off after, make my device sleep after, and make my device hibernate after. So you can set a time. So or you can select never. Okay, in on battery select never, or you can set a time, let's suppose 2 hour or 3 hour or 4 hour, or you can go for the never. So this is your first step. You can try. Now cut this window and move on to the next step. Again click on this Windows icon. After that click on settings. Now on the left side click on this option personalization. After that on the right side click on this option lock screen. Now scroll down and click on this option screensaver. Click on this option and this will show you this kind of window. Now what you have to do is you have to just untick this option. Okay, untick this option. After that click on apply, click on OK, cut this window. Now move on to the final step. You can check open control panel. So click on this search box and type control. You will see this option control panel. Click on it. Now in this control panel go to view by and select small icons. After that click on this option power options. Then in the power plan click on this option change plan setting. Now in this two columns turn off my display and put my computer in sleep, we have to select never. Okay, select never in all the four columns, then click on save changes, cut this window. So these are the three steps you can apply if you are using Windows 11 and it is locking itself automatically. This is all for the video. Thank you.